In today's beginner's guide to makeup, I'll show you how to create this soft pink cut crease using Carter Beauty. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. The brushes I'll be using today are from Your Makeup. The brushes are vegan, cruelty-free and affordable, and you will find the links in my description box. But first things first, you want to make sure you prime your lids to make sure the shadows will blend better and last longer. This base is quite thick, so it's perfect for more dramatic looks. I packed the primer onto my lid using the Your 10 concealer brush. This is quite large and it will help you blend the primer faster and keep your hands clean. Next I'm taking 07, which is a medium-sized blending brush, and I'm dipping this into a matte warm shadow. I'm going to blend this across the crease of my eye, packing on a good amount of colour and slowly blending whatever colour is left on the brush up towards my brow, as this will give you a more natural fade out finish. Next I'm taking the same brush and a dark reddish brown, and you want to follow the same steps, but this time not taking the shadow up as high as the medium brown shadow. So it looks like the shadow fades out naturally and gives you a smoother blended look to the shadows. Next we're going to cut the crease. You want to take a white cream shadow or concealer like I'm using here, and a flat concealer brush. It can be small, medium or large, whatever you find easiest to work with. I like to start by carving out the crease with the concealer, using the tip of the concealer brush to get a smooth round edge, and then I start blending down towards the lid. Once I have coverage across the lid, I will then finish by tapping the concealer until it completely dries. For the next step, I like to take 08, which is a pencil brush, and use this to deepen the dark brown shadow around the edge of the concealer, so the part of the crease where you cut is more defined. Taking the middle shade, which is a gorgeous rose gold shimmer, and a flat brush like the 02 I'm using here, tap the shimmer onto the lids. This colour is transparent, but with the white colour underneath, it really makes it pop. Go back with your clean, fluffy blending brush and you can soften out any harsh edges, making sure all the colours blend beautifully together. Take the dark brown shade on your lower lash line, sweeping it back and forth so everything will blend seamlessly together. You can then finish off with some liner and lashes as desired, and that's it. Your look is complete. I love how versatile this look is, and you can literally pair it with any lip color and any outfit. If you enjoyed this makeup lesson, please don't forget to leave a comment, give it a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you're a new viewer. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!